Hey friends, how are we doing? So there's 4,149,000 impressions in here. Not to flex or anything, just to show you something that's worked really, really well for me is I've just filtered these by 365 days, and I'm here to show you this exact post here, right? How I take a topic and turn it into 9 posts in 60 seconds, 51,000 impressions, right? But we're not done there. This exact post, repurposed the right way, has garnered 139,000 impressions for me, right? So I'll show it to you. Maybe some of you might recognize it, right? It's basically this treadmill thing that I've done, and it's a case study, a story, a lesson, a mistake, a win, educational view, a template, whatever it is. It's just showing somebody how to repurpose. It got me 51K, 614 likes, 460 comments, and 16 reposts. So I saw that 10 months ago, and I said to myself, can I do this again? So 6 days ago, right, I repurpose it. I do this. I change the hook a little bit, add a little bit here, change the topic, right? And then paste the meat again. What happened? 390, 19,000 impressions, right? So the only thing that's changed is a little bit of that. It doesn't stop there. If we look at this, right? A carousel, 494, 32,000 impressions. 10 months ago, when I spotted this, somewhere in the middle of this carousel, bang, there you go. Right? Angling it, calling it something different, putting it in a different format. Let's move on. 10 months ago, right? Copy pasted exactly the same effect. Then 4 months ago, I hate Crocs. Put in a single saying Crocs are definitely not my thing, but the core of the matter is this little snippet switched up again with a little joke, garnered 7,000 impressions. Let's keep going. 2 months ago, how I turn an idea into 9 posts in record time. Change the meat of it, bring back the treadmill, right? Get it in there, put something else there. Then we have 8,000 here, right? 8 months ago, how I collect, not create 10 posts. So change the hook, write a little bit, bring it back. And then what happens is a picture of me to differentiate, another 14,000 impressions, and then bringing it back again. This was 7 months ago. Some little micro snippet, one long form, strategy, changing the hook and the concept a little bit. But I bring back the same thing again and again, right? So that entire thing, what I've done here is basically put it in here as a doc for you. Don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can. If not, I will send it through all of these links so you can apply the same strategy. Now, the good part about this is once you spot these little trends, this is one post. I've done this with like 20 other posts. That is like riding on free engagement, which you can then convert. So whatever I've done here is I've taken this principle, I've reshuffled it, and always the next day I have a sales post. Now, what happens if we have a sales post that works really well? You can put it on its own treadmill and repurpose it and get yourself inbound leads. So I hope that was useful for you today, and hopefully we get repurposing. Let's rock and roll.